She's fine, I get that.
People who has come to see the astronomical clock. Oh, shall we go? Okay. This is the lady that who took the picture of us. Oh, this is the marketplace. In Centrum, old town center of Prague, Czechoslovakia. There is another old church there. So this is old, everything is old buildings here. I think it looks like that one is the town hall. As usual, every center in Europe you get a old town hall, and now still that operates as a town hall. Huh? Oh right, I put in the room. Cam balai hot dog 80. Medan sama adu tin. Paprika. Hana ni ni kat mana hai? Kat kerana bagi kamu tu?
Denam pernah.
Apa raja yang kanda ini? Wah, kat kerana gila kalau ada ni.
Aku dah kanda pernah.
Kasih apa naik ni kira? Hai ini. Same thing. Ante kayak kasih asu 180. Abe මාර සොසේජ් එකක් දෙන්නේ නේ. මෙහෙම දැන් කෑවොත් එහෙම දැන් ඔයාට බඩ ගෙනියනවා ඊට පස්සේ හවසෙල්. ඒතර කන්න විදියක් නැතිනවා. Gina travel So there is a marketplace here. Sell everything, food, beer, souvenirs, pictures. Yes, this is kind of bread they make. See how they make some special kind of bread. It is rotating, you get call under this. Chimney cake. Yeah. Chimney cake. People drink beer, listen to music. Atara balagi. Ah. One දැක්ක තියෙනවා. සෑටි මේ pizza. This is sweets. Sweet. हाँ बेटर है। 150 අර මේ එක. 6යි. 150ට එක කනේ පාඩුයි. Bread making. Shimbiri cake. Another place. ඒක ස්වීට් ද කොයිද නේ? මේක ස්වීට් වගේ යන්නේ නැද්ද? ක්ලාසික් 100 අනිත් එක 130 ලාර්ජ් එක ඇතුළට මොනවද දාලා දෙන්නේ? ඔක අනිත් පැත්ත හරවලා ඒක මොනවද දාලා දෙන්නේ?
Ice cream.
ඈ?
With ice cream.
with ice cream. Oh. With ice cream.